Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to change your WhatsApp phone number. To change your phone number on WhatsApp, you must use the change number feature on your primary device, as this cannot be done by WhatsApp desktop or web version. So you want to make sure or ensure your new phone or new number can receive SMS or phone call and has an active cellular connections. Now there, you just want to make sure to launch open WhatsApp on your primary device or the current device. There, you just want to make sure to tap on the three dot button, go to settings from the list, there you have accounts. And once you go to this account section, you have these change phone numbers, simply tap onto it. And you just want to make sure to select the next button and just follow the on-screen prompt, entering all the numbers and all that stuff. And that is how you're supposed to change your WhatsApp phone number. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.